Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in voice recorder. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to select Continue. Tap on while using the app or only this time, choose Yes, I agree, and tap on this red button to start recording. You can add a bookmark by tapping on this little icon with a pen, typing wherever you wish to, and choosing OK. You can also pause it or unpause it using the middle button and end it and save it by tapping on this check mark. Now choose Save at the top right corner, and if you wish to rename your recording, tap on those three dots. Over here select Rename, type in wherever you wish to, and save it by clicking on OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you can also do that. All you need to do is hold it, tap on this bin icon at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in this pop-up here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!